It's considered the most economically significant case before the Supreme Court in decades and the ultimate loyalty test for its conservative majority. Today, justices are hearing arguments considering whether President Trump's use of the International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose tariffs was legal.
President Trump has negotiated agreements worth trillions of dollars with major trading partners. Unwinding those agreements, he warns, would expose us to ruthless trade retaliation by far more aggressive countries.
I just don't understand this argument. It's a congressional power, not a presidential power to tax. And you want to say tariffs are not taxes, but that's exactly what they are.
The tariffs in question are those the president put on China, Mexico, and Canada to crack down on fentanyl smuggling, punitive tariffs on Brazil and India, and the 10 to 50% reciprocal tariffs from nearly all trading partners, which Trump announced on his so-called Liberation Day.
Reciprocal, that means they do it to us and we do it to them. Very simple. Can't get any simpler than that.
The administration argues the president has complete authority to set tariffs under the Economic Emergency Act, and the emergency in this case is national security, citing trade imbalances and the inflow of fentanyl. But several states and small business owners are challenging the administration, including New York-based wine and liquor importer Victor Schwartz. Plaintiffs argue only Congress has the power to set tariffs, that the Emergency Act is much more limited, and they say trade imbalances are not an emergency.
They're gloating all over all the billions of dollars that they're collecting. They think it's great. What they don't say is they're collecting it from American businesses.
It's unclear when the court will rule on this case. If it decides the tariffs are unconstitutional, the focus then shifts to the $89 billion the government has so far collected in tariff revenue and whether it has to pay that back. Christiane Cordero, ABC News at the Supreme Court.